Hello everyone, I am Arpita Roy working in TCU as a postdoc. My fellowship is funded by Sparkle, which is co-funded by Marie Curie Action Program and hosted by Irish Photonics Integration Center. My present research is focused on understanding various membrane-associated biophysical processes by employing model systems and establish a platform for broader application in screening membrane-targeted therapeutics. Lectin glycan recognition is central to many biological processes, including infection, inflammation, and cancer. My project addresses these problems by advancing a highly biomimetic model of lectin glycan interactions using microcavity-supported lipid bilayer platforms. I am using various spectroscopic methods such as Raman, FCS, and EIS, etc. to address these problems. Therefore, it is a highly multidisciplinary project combining biophysics and biology with physical chemistry, micro and nanofabrication. Hence, this fellowship will personally develop me as an independent researcher and will help me to step forward towards my goal as an academician. Through this fellowship, one would be able to gain not only experience in photonics, but also would be exposed to various fields of science, as it will provide opportunities to meet them or collaborate with other people of different fields. So I will highly encourage people for this fellowship program if someone wants to pursue multidisciplinary research and science. Thank you.